Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making this colorful mug decal using TeckWrap vinyls from the 001 series. The 001M series adhesive vinyl has a matte finish that will give your craft projects that professional look, and it is available in 24 unique color options. So for this project, I'll be using the colors Salmon Pink, Pale Purple, and this powder blue vinyl. So these vinyls are available on the TeckWrap website, so make sure to check the description box below for the links of the products used in this video. I'll also be using these TeckWrap squeegee and weeding tools for this project, as well as this vinyl scrap collector. I'm going to use this white glossy blank mug that is perfect for coffee or any hot drinks. It is insulated, so it will keep your drinks warm, and it also comes with a lid cover. So first, I'm going to measure the part of the mug that I want to place my decal, and I want my design to be big enough for the mug, so I'm going for roughly 2.5 inches. So I just launched my design space, and I'll be using this cute Happy Days Ahead SVG design, and I'm going to resize it according to my measurement for my mug. So as you can see, each layer of the design is set in different colors, but since I want to cut them all at once without changing the mat a couple of times, I'll be assigning all layers into one color only. Then I'll prepare the design for cutting. Here you can see that I'm placing each layer into a specific spot on the cutting mat's ruler so that I can place the actual vinyls on the actual cutting mat later on. Now it's time to place my vinyls on my cutting mat, and make sure to remove the protective layer on top before loading the mat to the machine. Here you can see that I'm using the default vinyl setting on my Cricut machine to cut this specific vinyl. I'm now removing the excess vinyls after my design is completely cut. And I'm using my weeding pen to weed the tiny unwanted vinyls out. Here you can see I'm using my transfer tape to transfer the other layer of the design to another layer, and I'm using my squeegee to burnish it. Then I'm removing my design from the mat. So it's time to apply my first layer onto my mug. I'm burnishing the design so it sticks on the transfer tape well, and I'm slowly removing the backing. Now for the exciting part, I'm slowly applying the vinyl onto my mug. Burnish the design and remove the transfer tape. So I'm using the same transfer tape to transfer the last layer of the design onto my mug. Burnish the design and remove the transfer tape afterwards. And you're done! I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!